Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FlutterFlow to add Firebase authentication step by step clearly. Open your FlutterFlow project. Navigate to the left sidebar and locate the settings section. Click on integrations to open the integration options. Find Firebase in the list of available integrations. Click the connect button next to Firebase. You will be prompted to enter your Firebase project details. Visit the Firebase console in your web browser. Create a new Firebase project if you haven't already. Once your Firebase project is created, copy the project ID. Return to FlutterFlow and paste the project ID into the designated field. Next, you will need the Web API key from Firebase. In the Firebase console, go to Project Settings. Locate the Web API key under the General tab. Copy the Web API key and paste it into FlutterFlow. Now, you need to set up Firebase authentication methods. In the Firebase console, navigate to the Authentication section. Click on the Sign In Method tab. Enable the authentication methods you want to use, such as email/password or Google. Once the authentication methods are enabled, return to FlutterFlow. In FlutterFlow, go to the Auth section under your project settings. Select the authentication methods you enabled in Firebase. Configure any additional settings required for the chosen methods. Next, create a new screen for user registration. Design the registration form with input fields for email and password. Add a button for users to submit their registration. In the button's action settings, select Register User. Link the button to the authentication method you set up. Now, create a screen for user login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.